Hello folks, just a quick little video. I'm going to install a battery isolation switch on my rider mower. It's a John Deere, and when it's in storage, the battery's been slowly going flat, so I'm going to mount a switch. But first off, I'm going to just check what current is going through, so I'll get the appropriate switch. So I'm just going to video this now. Hopefully it won't start because the engine's still cold. We'll see what cranking amps she's pulling. So around that 100 amps, it's fluctuating there, but 100 amps was about the maximum I saw. So I've done the right thing and I've chosen a 150 amp switch there, made up a little lead with appropriate thickness core, which is about the same size as what these cables are on the battery now. And so I'm going to mount it here because that's the sort of flattest face, and there's plenty of room on the inside in there. So I'll fit it up and we'll see how we go. I'm going to be using a 29mm hole saw, and I'll just be disconnecting that negative post lead, one side of the switch, and run the new wire over to the battery from the other side of the switch. Hopefully that will fix it all up and stop me flat batteries. Anyway, cheers. Okay, that's the new 150 amp oscillator switch installed, and that's it wired up nicely there. So now when it's in the off position, it's not going to start, and there shouldn't be any parasitic draw because there's nothing going back to the battery. Interesting, when it's switched off, the little hour meter is continuing to go. So not sure, that must have its own little residual battery or something. So now to test it, everything should crank, everything should go, but that switch is off. So with the switch off, nothing's working, no lights, nothing. And just reach down there and turn that on like that, and now it should crank. Go, crank it. Now, just to make sure that everything's okay, I'll just check the heat. There's no, it's not feeling hot or anything. Cables are all good, connections. So if I had a bad connection or it was a bad switch, this would be really hot just from that bit of cranking there, but looks good. Okay, I've got another lawnmower with another brand new battery in it. The same, a little bit older, but it was doing the same thing to batteries, just chewing through them. So we should be all happy days moving forward now. And there's old Digby, our dog. I don't know why he's chewing on the branch, but that's what he's doing. Alright, thanks folks. Thanks for watching. See you the next one.